Welcome back to Up and Running. It's been a few days, so let's recap. So far, you've added your brand and packages, configured your credit card processing, imported your clients, booked your first shoot, customized your email templates, sent your first contract, and sent your first invoice. There are a couple of things that we'd like you to get familiar with. Let's start with questionnaires. Questionnaires work similar to contracts. They're designed to be heavily reusable so that you don't have to create a new one each time. So under templates, click questionnaires. Then click new template. Now let's start filling in all the required elements. Give the questionnaire a title. Enter the description. The description will be used later to give your clients more detail of why they're filling out the questionnaire, so be mindful of that. Now let's add some questions. Each one has a question and you have the option of assigning one of the 5 answer types. You can collect a short answer response from your client. This will give them a short text box so they can fill in the answer. For example, if you're going to create a pre-wedding questionnaire, you can use this to ask their bride's name or their partner's name. You can also have a long answer response. This allows them to write a longer, more detailed response. Use this for things like wedding day timelines or description of their ideal day. You also have the option of the drop-down list if you have a lot of options but you want the client to select one. Radio buttons are also available if you have a few options, but like the drop-down, you only want the client to select one answer from that list. Finally, you have checkboxes. When you have multiple options, the client can choose as many as they like. Also, let's fill in the template with a few questions. If you selected the drop-down, radio buttons, or checkboxes, you'll get a button to add additional answers to each question. Let's create some generic questions and show how this works. Now that we have all the questions in, let's hit save. Now that we have a reusable template, let's use it to create a questionnaire for our client and send it over to them to fill it out. Click questionnaires, and then click new questionnaire. Enter the title, select the template, and select the client from the drop-down, and select the event. You'll see that we've populated the questionnaires with all the information you've saved in the template. You can change and modify these questions if you'd like. Now hit the save button. You can then send the questionnaire to the client, or they already provided the answers and you just want them to punch them in, and hit the respond button. And that's it. We've got a couple more episodes of Up and Running coming out, so look out for those. As always, check out our YouTube channel for more.